Welcome to our comparison of two innovative portable washing machines designed for compact living spaces. Today, we will be looking at the Anypro Portable Washing Machine, a full automatic washer and spinner combo, and the portable washing machine with an upgraded 11L capacity, which offers a foldable design for easy storage. We'll delve into their features, pricing, and suitability for different laundry needs, helping you make an informed decision. When it comes to washing capacity, the Anypro Portable Washing Machine boasts an impressive 17.8 pounds, making it suitable for larger loads and more versatile laundry needs. In contrast, the portable washing machine with an upgraded 11L capacity is ideal for smaller, delicate items such as underwear and baby clothes. This difference in capacity can significantly impact your laundry routine, especially in a compact living environment. The design of these two machines also varies significantly. The Anypro model is a full automatic machine, which means it handles the entire washing process with minimal user intervention. This feature is perfect for those who prefer convenience. On the other hand, the portable washing machine features a foldable design, enhancing its portability and making it easier to store when not in use. This makes it a great option for those with limited space. Price is another crucial factor to consider. The Anypro Portable Washing Machine is priced at $199, reflecting its advanced features and higher capacity. In contrast, the portable washing machine is much more affordable at just $51, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. However, it's essential to weigh the price against the features and capacity to determine which machine offers the best value for your needs. In conclusion, both the Anypro Portable Washing Machine and the portable washing machine with upgraded 11L capacity have their unique strengths. The Anypro offers a higher capacity and full automation, making it suitable for more extensive laundry needs. Meanwhile, the foldable design and lower price of the portable washing machine make it an excellent choice for those with limited space and specific washing requirements. We hope this comparison helps you choose the right washing machine for your home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.